Water is one of the most important things that we need in our daily lives. Water is not only for drinking, but also for cooking, cleaning, and sanitizing. Therefore, the researcher find an alternatives in filtering the water. Instead of using an expensive machineries, you can use an organic materials in filtering the water. For example, with the use of banana peelings and moringa oliefera seeds, it can filter the wastewater into clean water. Nowadays, there are lots of ways to filter water that includes using machines or tools, but most of the time, it costs more money, time and effort to do such processes. Only those people who belong in the higher economic status can afford to buy those expensive machineries to filter water. Compared to those people who can't afford to buy such machineries, they easily get sick and get skin disease because of the water they used, and they don't have enough money to buy those. So here is an easy way to prepare a filtering tool.
First, collecting the materials and sample. Collect 1.5 bottle of water or soft drinks. Then, collect moringa oleifera seeds, banana peels, charcoals, and beach sand. After collecting the materials and sample, prepare the materials for making the tool in filtering the water.
In preparing the banana peels, separate the banana peels and banana fruit. Then cut the banana peels into small pieces. Wash the banana peels with tap water for several times and then wash it with distilled water. Put the banana peels into the baking pan. And then put the pan into the oven. Set the time into 1 hour and 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And lastly, after drying the banana peels, put it into the plastic container.
The moringa oleifera seeds. Separate the seeds from its peel and crush it into small pieces. Then put it into a glass container. For the water sample, get an amount of water from a river or any sample of water that will be filtered.
In making the filtering tool, first, cut the bottom of the 1.5 bottle and then put the filter paper and fill it with sand. Then another filter paper and put the charcoal after it. And then lastly, another filter paper followed by the oven-dried banana peels. Repeat the sequence of the materials for about 2 to 3 times. Then the tool is ready to be used. Process in filtering the water. Get an amount of the sample water and pour it to the filtering tool. Let the sample pass through the multiple stages of the filtering tool.
Then, a mixture of crushed moringa seeds and a little amount of water will follow to make it as a paste. The mixture or paste will be added to the filtered water. Stir it and let it sit or settle down for about 2 hours.
And lastly, the filtered water will be processed again through the filtering tool, but with the banana peels being excluded in the process, because banana peels creates a reddish, yellowish color to the water.
We would like to discuss the results of our research entitled Banana Peels and Moringa Oleifera Seeds as Agents in Water Filtration. The results of the test given by the DOST covers only the color and turbidity
This
of the
table
water.
shows the result of the color of the filtered and unfiltered water. This means that the color of unfiltered water is dark with the exact result of 318 Cu, while the filtered water is light with the exact result of 90 Cu. This table shows the result of the turbidity or clarity of the unfiltered and filtered water. This means that the turbidity of the unfiltered water is not clear, with the exact result of 1.62 NTU, while the turbidity of the filtered water is clear, with the exact result of 1.04 NTU.
Based on the findings and conclusion, since there is lack of time and there is no available schedule of other tests given by the Department of Science and Technology or DOST, the researchers recommend the following tests. First is test the sample water and the filtered water if there are changes in terms of the amount of bacteria in the water. Second is to test in pH level, and lastly, the researchers recommend to have further tests available for drinking water.